Ah! Ah! Grabe. Oh! Grabe. You can open now your Barbie. But you have to help first. Grabe. It's just... Eh, mag-start na siya. No?
Hey! Dito.
Pick up first.
Okay. Pick up the Jengas first, please.
Whoa.
Hey, can I borrow your cell phone?
Just very quick.
Wait, pick up the Jenga.
Thank you, Annie. Yeah, Grandma bought it. And more Barbies. That's her new thing right now, is more Barbies.
How about the 30 we have from the girls?
Asan na yung mga 30?
They're sisters.
Put your hand down. Oh, put your hand down.
Wasn't Jade in the Barbie for a while? and Brad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why they have a big Barbie. Pero sinumerte kayo sa may aso ah. Yung may asong Barbie.
You did.
Grandma bought you Barbie, Jelana. You unboxed yesterday your Barbie. Whoa, okay. I know, lucky girl. Ano da? You got 2 Barbie there. Oh, is that, oh, she got cake pop? Cake pop yan?
Balloon. It's a balloon like this. Anda sa camera. Oh, nagbe-vlogger din sila ni. Go get a scissors, please. Wait, just it out of here. Should I take too? Like this. Well, I said scissors.
There you go, baby. Give me this one. Good, chop, chop.
Oh, Ate, don't cut the hair.
Vlogger.
Ay, Clark and Jan. Ano yan?
Now it looks like a daddy Barbie. Got the hair. Oh no.
Team Amazing ba yan, Clark and Jan?
Yeah, that's the stand like this. Like this, see.
Oh!
When you're done with that, then I'll do the ones.
Ah, okay. Jilan, do you want your phone now? Not yet, we're just 10 minutes.
No.
Ah, yes, okay, Des. Okay, thank you, Des. Mumu Aisa, ano ba? Parang ano siya, Team Amazing ba yan? Ano ba yan, Clark and Jan?
Okay, my glass. Why you take yours off? You had to.
Not that you have to.
Pangit na yung hair niya. What? What? Picture daw, picture.
Okay, picture. You picture. Siya din. Si Jilana. Hindi si Jilana na yung picture. Jilana, you picture. Picture. See, look at me.
Look at mommy in the hole.
Nabola siya. Hindi siya mabola-bola eh. Don't take off her clothes. She doesn't have any more clothes. Oh, why you take it off her?
I do that here. I take it up. Okay. Okay. See. Okay. Like this.